It's okay, Larry. Go back to your room. What do you want?
I need to talk to your son.
Hasn't he been through enough?
It's very important that I talk to him.
It's very important that he gets his rest. Isn't that right, Dr. Lloyd?
Yes. Larry's going through a post-traumatic period right now, and it's extremely important that there's no outside interference during his therapy process.
I'm staying at my father's house. Tell him to come see me when he is better.
You never told me that Frank Andrews worked for you.
I have over 200 people working for me. I didn't realize I needed your personal approval for each one.
When I came home, you knew I was going to see Gwen. You knew the history we had. You didn't think it was important to tell me that she was engaged to Frank Andrews and that he's been working for your company for the last 5 years?
I didn't think it was the right time. Besides, I knew you'd find out eventually.
I need to see Gwen.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
Look, for the last 3 weeks, I've been stuck in this house. I've been analyzed by Dr. Lloyd. I need a break from all this.
Don't you want to get better?
There's nothing wrong with me.
Give it one more week. Then we'll see if we are ready to move forward.
Larry, come in. You know, I've tried to get you on the phone.
I know. Been pretty busy this last month. Therapy sessions with Dr. Lloyd, working with my father. This is the first time out of my house since, well, look, I just want to let you know I'm really sorry about Jenny.
What happened out there that night?
Well, I saw a wolf attacking Jenny. I ran over there. Bella the gypsy was there and I killed him accidentally.
That's what the reports and the stories say. But what really happened?
Oh, what's the point? Everyone in town thinks I killed Bella the gypsy. Some of them don't even think it was an accident. My father, Dr. Lloyd, Captain Montford, they all think I'm crazy.
You're not crazy.
I know I killed the wolf. It bit me. But the next morning, the wound was gone. I don't know how. I don't know why. I can't explain it.
You don't have to.
Frank knows you were with me that night, doesn't he?
Yes. Larry, I'm sure you already know this, but Frank works for your father too.
Yeah, I know. I just found out last week. Look, if my father told me sooner about you and Frank, I wouldn't have caused this much trouble.
Don't blame him. When Frank and I got engaged, I begged your father not to tell you. I should have been upfront with you from the beginning. It's just that when I saw you standing here in my house, a part of me still felt something, even after all these years.
What we had was special, Gwen. The way I feel about you, I never felt about anyone else. Do you feel the same way about Frank?
Please, don't make this any harder than it already is.
It's not too late, Gwen.
Marrying Frank is the right thing to do.
Doing what your heart tells you is the right thing to do. Frank and I were friends. but always competitors first. And here we are, competing again.
Frank may have his flaws, but he asked me to marry him, and I said yes.
Gwen, I'm here.
Frank.
Hi, Frank. It's good to see you again.
I'm not interrupting anything, am I?
No, I just came by to see that Gwen was all right.
Well, she seems to be alright.
Well, goodbye, Gwen.
Bye, Larry.
See you around, Frank.